Hello everyone, this is Jonathan de la Cruz from BSHM 2B. In this video, we will be talking about POS or point of sale. Point of sale is a place where customers execute payments for goods or services. At points of sale, the merchant calculates the amount owed by the customer, indicates that amount, may prepare an invoice for the customer, and indicates the option for the customer to make payment. At this juncture, I'm going to review and explore a point of sale application, which is the Peddlr. Peddlr is a pre-smart POS application that assists a small and micro business in recording sales, log expenses, and understand business performance. This app generates an easy-to-understand accounting reports. This POS application is perfect for small business owners just like sari-sari store at home. We can use this application through our mobile phones, tablet, and other portable gadgets. Peddlr has a barcode scanner for easy and efficient transactions. You're just going to tap the barcode scanner, then using your mobile camera, scan the products, and the product and price will automatically added to the customer's receipt, just like the usual POS machine. You can also add the customer's information such as the name, contact number, and address. For the payment process, just click confirm, then the payment option will appear. That's either cash, through GCash, credit, pay later, or multi-payment. Then if cash payment, select cash, then put how much is the customer's money. If exact amount, then just click the exact amount. And click proceed, and then the receipt is ready for printing. You can print it if you have Bluetooth printer. If none, you can still see the receipt. Then it's done. It works just like the usual POS machine. It also has a great feature where all the day-to-day transactions are automatically saved at the ledger. You can access and monitor your credit ledger, payment ledger, and cash ledger to monitor your sales, profit, and transaction for a day, a month, and a year. With this application, you can also track your stocks through Inventory tab. If it reaches to the critical number of stock that you have set, then you will be reminded by the Peddlr application. At this part are the list of the products, and you can add products through the plus button at the lower part. You can also have an online store website that will be provided by the Peddlr application. Once again, this is Jonathan de la Cruz, and thank you for watching.